Welcome to the beautiful 9510 Silver Elm, a fully remodeled and upgraded 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home located in the highly sought-after Silverbrook subdivision. This stunning home features recently updated low-E windows and radiant barrier to ensure maximum comfort and savings. Step inside and you'll be greeted by luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the first floor, a plush new carpet in bedrooms. The kitchen has been fully renovated, boasting stylish new 42-inch cabinets, elegant silestone countertops, and a modern recessed lighting. With 1,698 square feet of living space, this home offers plenty of room to live, work, and play. This home is located near popular shopping and dining destinations such as SeaWorld, the shops at Cantera, Fiesta Texas, and the Rim, giving you endless options for entertainment and relaxation. The master bathroom has been fully remodeled, featuring a new dual vanity sink, new towel, a new tub, creating a spa-like retreat that will take your breath away. It sits on a peaceful cul-de-sac surrounded by mature trees, providing a serene suburban escape while still being close to all the excitement that San Antonio has to offer. It is also part of the highly acclaimed Northside Independent School District, home to some of the best schools in the area. This gem offers unmatched charm and unique character to entertain families and friends. Thank you for watching, and for more details on this beautiful 2-story home, please contact the Garza Home Team at Remax North San Antonio. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thank you, and have a nice day.